Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best laser navigation robot vacuum cleaner in this video? I will show you the top 5 best laser navigation robot vacuum cleaner to buy right now in your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and on our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links down in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Item number 5 is ecovax DEEBOT T8 AIVI Vacuum Cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, in future. Certification, none. Origin, CN origin. Power, W, 40W. Voltage, V, 14.4 volts. Function, mopping and sweeping and suction type. Dust box capacity, L, half a liter. Dust storage type, dust box/dust bucket. Battery life, 2 hours. Timing reservation, yes. Model number, T8 AIVI. Turbo brush, yes. Cleaning route, plan type. Item number 4 is hobot ledgie 7 Sweeper Robot Tractor Integrated Vacuum Cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, in future. Certification, say. Origin, CN origin. Power, W, 19.95. Voltage, V, 220 volts. Function, mopping and sweeping and suction type. Dust box capacity, L, half a liter. Dust storage type, dust box. Battery life, 2 hours. Timing reservation, yes. Remote control, yes. Model number, ledgie 7. Turbo brush, yes. Cleaning route, plan type. Trade name, hobot ledgie 7. As item number 3, we've selected iRobot Roomba 605 Robot Laser Vacuum Cleaner. Specifications. Dust box capacity, L, half a liter. Dust storage type, dust box. Battery life, 1 hour. Bag or bagless, bagless. Installation, robot. Timing reservation, yes. LCD, no. Power, W, less than 500 watts. Size 330 x 330 x 80. Remote control, yes. Special suction nozzle, cleaning brush. Filter type, other. Voltage, V, 14.4 volts. Function, dry. Turbo brush, no. Cord length, M, wireless. Cleaning route, plan type. Item number 2 is Needsfer X600 Pro Laser Navigation Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, Needsfer. Certification, CB, say. Certification, Rose. Origin, CN origin. Power, W, 21 to 30 watts. Voltage, V, 14.4 volts. Function, wet and dry. Dust box capacity, L, 0.6 to 1 liter. Dust storage type, dust box. Battery life, 2 hours 2 hours and 30 minutes. Bag or bagless, bagless. Installation, robot. Timing reservation, yes. LCD, no. Size 330 x 330 x 98. Remote control, no. Special suction nozzle, multifunctional combined brush. Filter type, HEPA. Model number, X600 Pro. And finally, item number 1 on our list is the iLIFE L100 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, iLIFE. Power, W, 25 watts. Voltage, V, 100 to 240 volts. Function, wet and dry. Dust box capacity, L, less than half a liter. Dust storage type, dust box. Battery life, 1 hour and 30 minutes 2 hours. Bag or bagless, bagless. Installation, robot. Timing reservation, yes. LCD, no. Remote control, yes. Special suction nozzle, clean cyclone dust collection nozzle. Filter type, other. Model number, L100. Turbo brush, no. Cord length, M, wireless. Cleaning route, plan type. Dust box volume, 450 milliliters. Water tank volume, 300 milliliters.